Ooh, I'm living in my soft girl era.
Wanna stop DM me about how to do this? I paid my money to learn how to do this because it's
Oh yes.
Really.
Title.
Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. We have some exciting things to jump into, so sit back, relax and enjoy.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, JA Super Bowl. Alright, burritos know. So if you live under a rock, you might not have heard that Bad Bunny was a special Super Bowl halftime performer. And he gave an amazing performance. And what everybody is talking about, is how Bad Bunny, brought in all kind of elements from Caribbean history, Caribbean culture. And to top it off, Jamaica, brand Jamaica was mentioned and celebrated there. Take a listen.
Canadá. A my motherland, mi patria, Puerto Rico. Seguimos aquí. ¡Ahora sí! ¿De cuándo? ¿De tú? Y ahora...
Oh God, man, yeah, man. And them type of excitement here just continues to remind Jamaicans that we are very much the what them call it the Beyonce of the Caribbean. No disrespect to any other Caribbean islands, because several of them, of course, were mentioned as well. But there's just something about how Jamaica is enough that has to be studied. Like every little part of the world, any little area, segment of society, news, entertainment, Jamaica just find a way for Jim Screechy into that conversation. And so, but they like when they call it out Jamaica. Yeah, man, for those of you who know the Espanol, say, yeah, man, Jamaica, that was very much nice, and was the Jamaican flag there as well. So, burritos, let me know what you thought of this moment. Sound off in the comments. Number 9, 16th surprise. My birthday cake. Okay, burritos, now, like, remember that show that they did on MTV when named My Super Sweet 16? Where they would have all of the entertainers, kids, and they would have give them a car at the end. Well, I guess, Jamaican people, we are bringing it back and we are show, so we are trying to move towards generational wealth and wellness and all of these things. Take a look at what this family did for their son.
So, this is the artist that we take here for you. Hold on, Tabari said something first before you call him blindfold.
Alright, I don't know, today your big
16.
day, your big 16. It's on man now.
Yes.
And we're going to put it for you to know that we're going to adult gift now.
Right.
No more kids game, right?
Right.
Big man thing now.
Right.
So happy birthday.
So, my son, my son,
Alright, what is it? I'm going to take a picture.
Oh, Jesus, Pete. Oh, gosh. I just love these moments because we don't see it every day. And what I love is that they never look like a too much super uptown and certain things. So say it's a family where I build and I do them thing, and the son was able to experience this moment in front of his friends and family. Yeah, man, chef's kiss, man. Yeah, man, and them something you will love for us. Just a nice thing to have overall. But for those kids and for those parents who are watching right now, don't feel bad if you can't get your child a car for them 16th birthday. Just give what you can. If them get a birthday cake, if them get even a celebration, if I even look up on them not Facebook, and nobody not really use that. If I even look up on them TikTok page now and put HBD, at least you did something. Okay, man, it count. Yeah, man. All right. Heck, I never get a car for my birthday, but yeah. But I was promised $1,000 for each CXC subject when I get, and I got 8. And to this day, I still cannot see that $8,000. We need reparations from mommy. Number 8, boyfriend duties. All right, no, so this video comes from a TikToker that had me in stitches. Let me not even give you any context. Just watch the video.
I would take up my that shit way. Cause imagine say I call one man and tell him say I'm hungry. Not even one man, call me man and tell him say I'm hungry. And then I go tell me say, I hope I get something to eat. Where me by what me get something to eat? Remember you know? You're supposed to be the provider, the protector and the leader. What you mean by what me get something to eat? You can't imagine that me and I just done a period, come down and take you like you fuck my period. And you can't buy me a pack of pad? And when the girl them say them don't want to broke when the girl them say them don't want to broke man, the man them create a storm. No man, I have to get it together, man. What you mean by you whoop? But that should have
No, that is absolutely crazy. It is crazy. It's the way she said she don't just dash away her pokey. She would just fling away her pum pum like, yo, like when women are funny, like it's just one of the best things in her life. Like she's completely hilarious for saying that. That is kind of crazy. But the woman them in the comments them did I say them go through that already. So it definitely shows that the man them out there reading half no solution. Them just say, yo, may God be your guide. Yeah, man. Take it to the Lord in prayer. And that the girl out the road I get these days. But Berry does let me know. Your partner could ever bring something like this as a response to you, and how would you respond? Sound off in the comments. Number 7, popping response. All right, now, so you know, on the social media account now, I'm always talking about Really So Easy and the Pop the Balloon Jamaican series because it always promises to be festive. And so in this recent episode, yeah, man, like the woman here shouldn't meet her much because he came ready and she came readier.
You rate her from 1 to 10?
Boy, father, me I tell you that 0, I'm like, yeah. But no.
Tight hole.
Yeah.
Ready, come and rate him.
How much should you rate him?
When I rate half dog. Yep.
Look for yourself.
Look by you.
Oh, half dog.
Come by you. You're well tighter than mine, so you have a right to rate me.
Yes, black, a 2 color you walk with mama.
Michael Jackson talk about white and black. What you say? Don't tell a boy. Don't tell a boy. We are talking about.
You have on blue nails.
You can't say you're well tight in the car. You have on a girdle belt. Tight wall Nikisha. I used to walk with Grace.
How much should you rate him from 1 to 10?
0.
0?
Yeah, that first
Yo.
cup of me.
Look, you look like my body cheek.
You know, that is one of the craziest things when we keep on understand. Like, yo, when the woman and the man them have these conversations, and then the girl will respond and say tight hole. Like,
Tight hole.
first of all, you come to something like that, me like, did you expect it? Do you want it to be loose? You want it to go because of course it is tight and it's supposed to be tight. Come on. Come on. Look, I've never understood it. Like you said, tight hole. Is it that you would want your man to have the loosest orifice as possible? Is that the alternative? Because my brain just can't compute that to be the this of the century. Because come on, you know, let me refrain from saying this. Burritos, that was just like a moment. I'm getting a little bit too comfortable with y'all, but. That is my 2 cents right now, but it was a fun little moment. I'm like, so they actually hold him on against her. They never really back down. Him say what him say, and she say what she say, and it was a good TV moment.
Now here is this week's random video of the week.
Number 6, ring car. Number 6, ring thief caught. All right, Berry does know. So, you know, this video I saw on some of the social media page that showed a criminal, a thief that was caught on ring camera in the Maryvale community. And this dude look like he might become a nuisance, a walker, broken in a people's house. And this time he got caught. Take a look.
I'm going to call the I'm calling the police. I'm calling the police. I'm calling the police right now. Fuck. Fuck. Shit. Fuck, babe.
Yeah, and soon after that video, started making rounds on social media, another video with the very same man was posted as well.
We catch him and call the police.
Boy, oh boy, like, me not understand this, like, him just get to sort of scotch free, so like, what is the motive? Because him look like him not even too up here, so. But, it seems as if the police have apprehended the man, and hopefully, some justice will be brought. So, yeah, man, I'm glad this is the news that come in now, and boy, people just post up on the camera them and see if they can catch the thieves them like this. Number 5, Alka Downtown. Okay, so dancehall artist Alkaline, people always describe him as being very antisocial, but on this day, he made a very solid attempt at interacting and being social when he was confronted by some adoring fans. Take a look.
Keep doing it. Antisocial. Straight. Oh gosh, you are. Hey, I do it here. You look good here. Oh gosh. Yes, keep doing it. Antisocial.
Oh, yes.
Really.
Every man have them life to live, and no matter when nobody wants.
Yeah, man, and so the first of all, me like, this is also random. Imagine you just walk downtown the Princess Street, and when you look, it is the man himself, Alkaline, there shooting some music video, part of some project. And so we can only imagine all the fans them, they just feel elated for us to book up the dancehall Prince like this. And so Alkaline, I hope this is a step in the right direction where we see you out and about and in Jamaica mingling, connecting with the audience in a year week. We know it's not really your thing, but as long as you make some little 1 and 2 solid attempts, the fans will be very appreciative. Number 4, Lisa Hanna challenge. Okay, we readers know. So so Lisa Hanna, she's a lady where she always make we know so she have our black belt and all of these things, and she is one not to be tampered with. Because, she always show up all of the things that she has in her collection. Well, recently she posted a video stepping into her car. And, in that shot, we saw all of her protective equipment. Take a look.
Have you ever noticed your GPS never shames you for a wrong turn? It doesn't panic. It doesn't lecture. It actually just recalculates. And it keeps guiding you forward because, we're so hard on ourselves. We think that one mistake actually ruins everything. But life is always recalculating. You can realign, you can redirect, you can actually begin again because one wrong turn doesn't cancel the entire journey.
And since then, a social media user decided to make fun and spoof that moment by doing a video of her own. Take a look.
Have you ever noticed that every time you wash your car, it rains? Sometimes there's no need to be upset. Think about the silver lining. Think about the sunshine at the end of a rainy day. Sometimes reflect,
No, and them something I love when social media is just fun and engaging like this. Because first of all, Lisa Hanna, like why you walk with 3 3 machine. Come on, Lisa Anna, what are you preparing for? Like, this girl could have honestly, you know, like, end up a free the people them from Morambe rebellion and all of these things. She and any of the Maroons could have part, because one thing Lisa Anna is going to do is she is going to do everything in her power for me to forget that she's pretty. She does not want us to think that she is in her soft girl era all the time. She wants us to know that she is at her heart, you know, a downtown country girl living an uptown life. That is how Lisa Anna wants us. So she'll go use these things for make we know, say, no pum pum test. Oh, Jesus. No pokey test. Jesus, you know, what is going on? But if I get killed, it's not the countdown, so Jesus Christ, big up yourself, Lisa Anna. Yeah, man, one done, yeah.
And now it is time for the Big Up segment.
Alright, so on the Big Up segment, I have to go and big up. Your boy is back working. Can you believe it? It's been a minute. I kind of took myself away from this whole social media scene, and you know, they just want to be a background character. But this year, I said, no man, Berry, man, jump back out there and be front and center. And so really, I got the opportunity to host an interactive segment as a part of TGI's grand opening in Portmore. Yes, TGI reached a Portmore, and I had a blast. I was a little bit rustic. I said, boy, a long time I really do the little influencer front of, you know, in a little space here. It's been a minute, but it was pretty nice out there interacting with the people. Them and I get back into the mix of it. Some of you are like, yeah man, I'm here and I'm ready to work. So yeah man, the opportunities them, reach out to me, bookings.duttyberryshow. I'm back at it. Just let me know, advertise within the countdown. Just let me know all of the stuff then, because I am definitely here to be seen, visible, and to show up as my authentic creative self in 2026. So hope that can be an inspiration to you guys as well. And you know, big up Team Effit, Caris, and all, big up TGI family. Was an amazing opportunity, and I really appreciated learning a little bit more about the history of TGI as well. Number 3, planes and praise. Alright, burritos know, you know, so on a recent British Airways flight to Jamaica, the people on the plane broke out in a one hell of a praise and worship session. Take a look.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has switched on the overhead seatbelt sign.
In the name of Jesus, Father, go forth right now and let your will be done. We pray the Lord. We put every piece in your hand. In the name of Jesus, I found that down.
No, in the middle of that, you know, people are wonder like, was this okay? Is this type of activity supposed to be allowed? No, I'm kind of in the middle when it comes down to this, because a part of me is just like, here what? You know, according to Caribbean doctrine, you know, when anything have to do with Jesus and the Lord and praise, you're supposed to just shut him up because nothing can wrong. Even if it's loud, even if it's an inconvenience, nobody is supposed to say that something is wrong. I just saw you go, because if you say wrong, then you're wicked, you're a devil worshipper, all kind of things, and you're a demon, right? But on the other end, a part of me is very much like, yo, I understand the way the world is, and you must respect people's rights, and you know, people there might not practice your religion, and they should have some say in the matter. But Berry does let me know what you thought of it. You think this was okay, or you think them should have just wait until after the plane stopped to do something like this? Sound off below. Number 2, AI gone too far? Well, Berry does know there's a content creator on TikTok by the name of Able Boss that posted a video using AI deepfake technology to mimic several public figures' likeness. And it is sparking quite an amount of conversation online. Take a look at the video.
I don't feel like it's not scary yet. Yeah. Editing gone on a different level. You see it? Content turn up here now. You see me? Yeah. Any character. But one thing though, I'm not gonna change the voice because I want the people to know say it 99% real. You see me? Yeah. Jesus. Walk out for them content. Look out for them content that chat.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. So was it Vibes Cartel? Several others that he. Wow. Okay. All right. So the Prime Minister. So let me just go tell you this. I'm aware of this technology. I did see it online some time ago. And I was very much flabbergasted because we see the little fake ones. Then we look. You can detect immediately that is AI, but there's this added technology where you have to kind of pay for and you go through your own little learning and whatever, where you can take on public figures' likeness and can sound like them, look like them, and yeah, man, it's something that I decided that I definitely want to stay away from and just watch the online landscape. Well, Abel Boss, no business about all of that. He's found something that is sparking conversation, that is leading to some virality that I guess he was going after with this. And while it is cool, it's also going to be posing several questions when it comes down to, are you breaching people's, possible defamation? Possible, are you using people's likeness? Because like, no matter try this thing with Bob Marley, because me know say over there, so they're very protective of fame, likeness, and image. And boy, if one and two might get to a certain and certain people might not get away once them get wind of it. So I'm like, yo, I'm sure there are some legal implications that could arise, especially if you are communicating certain things that the actual owner of that likeness and that image does not condone with. And I would have said, hey, but boss, better you probably go reach out to the people them and get them permission. But this could spell wrong. And it is already going to even further complicate the conversations when people come on to AI, and people are going to be even less more distrusting, and I give content creators additional side eye when it comes down to their messaging and what people see as real and fake. But I think Ababas just wanted to be probably the first in a Jamaica and get some, wow, I'm ahead of the curve. But yes, I guess he's achieved that. So yeah, I guess. But it has spelled some other issues. But it is pretty interesting and cool just to see where the technology is at the moment.
Wanna stop DM me about how to do this? I paid my money to learn how to do this because it's something what other creators over the world are do already, but I introduced it to Jamaica. And the next thing to the way of Jamaica corrupt, my name is if you call. And if some of the corrupt people know how to do this, we don't hear say able boss teach and have to learn off on our own, and give me 5 minutes of fame. Because when maybe a couple of months or so after, me have my class and teach how to do this. Yeah, but for now, me not show nobody. You see me? Because someone may use it for the wrong reason and corrupt. You see me? And the next thing too, me not gonna use this and promote nobody business or music because that is very unfair for these brands. You understand what I say for these people? My uncle use these characters in my personal video. You see me? But I don't know for the device one as yet, I don't know if that exists for use the celebrity device there for match it. You see me? But may I try find out. Yeah, boy, I better fuck myself right now, Jesus Christ, I can't give myself some bumbuckler fuck. But anyways, no, me not share it to nobody. Nobody. Yeah. Someone corrupt, man. And then my name easy to call. Entertainment purpose me I use this for. Yeah.
Boy, submarines, let me know what you make of this. What do you think of it? I'm actually very curious to hear Lisa Hanna's take on this video and what her 2 cents are, because she always come with some stats and some data. So Lisa Hanna, if you're out there, please to chime in, give your 2 cents. I would love to hear you speak on this specific issue.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Sanchin and you are watching the Dutty Berry social media. Don't keep it locked.
And number 1 goes to Spice Soft Girl Era Challenge. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number 1 goes to Spice, dancehall queen Spice Soft Girl Era challenge that is now taking over social media.
Walking in my soft girl energy.
So dancehall queen Spice, yeah man, she dropped the music video for her new single, Soft Girl Era, like a few weeks after she dropped God Don't Play About Me. Spice was just like, listen, the people them not really, let me go pivot and let me press along like we are saints. And that she did. And this song, it definitely is being a lot more picked up by the public, and the audience will love it, and I love the song.
One gal on the up. I mean, that's the bro.
I love the song. I like our different flow. I like say it not so careless like in our era, no baga expletives. It feels like the version of Spice that could come over very well in this new mature era as Spice as a big woman artist now. Like, I feel like the version here, it still have a little bit of the
me no see no gal a road where you outdress me.
And it have the little
my SOFT era.
like it have the nice in between the way Spice I go say, yo, she gain maturity, but you still get a little bit of the yeah man, that is what I love with the song. But you know, Spice now go drop a song and not have a vehicle to go and promote it. So she dropped the social media Soft Girl Era Challenge. And you know who she got to drop her first? She dropped a Dima. Then she went to Rosalie and then Mackerel. And the videos them. Yeah man, Chef's Kiss social media name it up.
Me one gal on the up. I mean, that's clear broke forever. Coulda never made that. Missing those gal that chat them a money to ya. But I coulda with the rap box. I'm living in my soft girl era. My SOFT era. Soft girl era. Soft girl.
But what people are debating now is who had the best video. So me want to ask Uno, do you think number one was Rosalie, was it Dima, or was it Mackerel? But boy, I just like the video and I'm like say, yeah, show the girl them who a little bit more rough around the edges. I show one like a different side to them femininity and I go into them, you know, them look a soft glam and them something there. But yeah man, I like the vibes. So Burritos, let me know your thoughts on the challenge and who is your favorite so far. Well, that's it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another social media countdown. I'm your boy, DuttyBerry. Make sure to say you like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms at DuttyBerryShow. And of course, you know, to book me, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time. And big up to all of the people who watch the New Wave of Fashion Part 1. I really, really appreciate it. Part 2 is coming this Thursday on the DuttyBerryShow YouTube channel, so you do not want to miss it. So please to go and check that out. All right, bro. Oh my, yeah man, and take care. Bye bye.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like yo, hey. Box cover, uncover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.